go. Good morning from Mocan. That's right, Sunday here. Getting our breakfast set up. We are trying to get things going this morning. It's only 7 o'clock, but it did rain here last night. I might have some photos of that. Might post it in the video, I'm not sure. Other than that, Pops is hungry. Anyway, gonna get our food ready to be eaten. So other than that, more to come later on. Okay, getting more things up. Okay guys, give you an update. Just running one class today. I didn't know if I said that in an open video or not, but I'm just running one class. Finally went green. Took some air out of the front, and I think I lowered about a half a pound in the back, and finally 35 green. So at least we are on the right side of the tree, not the wrong. Car, it ran pretty quick on the first pass, 64. This one slowed down to a 67, but that's just due to the sun coming out, heating things up. So it just is what it is. So first round, I think I'm going to put a 67 on. That's about what it was running yesterday at the no E level. So maybe a 68, I can't remember, but it's around that time. So we're going to start off with that and see what happens. But at least we are going green now. So anyway, round one coming up, and go from there. Okay, round one coming up for no E, 667 we got on it, stuff like that. So see what we can do. Coming up, 667. Round one, just a freaking red light. We took some air pressure out of it, so hopefully that will work. Something caught fire right after that pass. You can see it through here, but it's out now. I already killed the power. This is not how you want to end the day. It's bad enough red lighting, did you do? It just keeps getting better. My glasses. No telling where the lens is on that sucker. Oh well. Guys, what can I say? The team name is officially Bad Luck Racing. Lucky we didn't burn it down. Yes. Yeah, that's what I say. We got everything loaded up. Thank you, the Barker boys. I do appreciate helping get the car in. And what can I say? It's what racers do. They help each other out. I'm probably scared Justin there a little bit. He helped me get the hood off of it, but and then we saw the fire and put the extinguisher on it and got it all out. Not sure. I mean, I'll post a picture here in the video. Something melted that connector or that wire up pretty good. I just don't know. The wire had been done in the car for the past 2 or 3 years now, so it's hard to say what went wrong. But we're gonna bring it back to the shop. We're gonna take a look at it and see, you know, what it take to get it fixed. Then we'll judge from there. I don't know if it's the wire size or not, because I think it's 12 gauge wire. Should support 20 amps, and I think that wiring goes to the water pump, the fuel pump, and the fan. So, but if we need to put bigger wire, we will. So anyway, other than that, we're done up here. Not the weekend we wanted, especially today, but it is what it is. But we'll at least the car survives another day. So with that, please link, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Other than that, I'm out here until next time. That's the connector that literally melted, and it melted right here.